Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this article by Teslarati, and basically it talks about the email that Elon sent to all the employees. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware of the process of buying a Tesla, but for me it was quite surprising. My first Tesla, I picked it up in Long Beach. I did everything through the phone, and when I got there I went to the office, talked to a receptionist, and then afterwards she sent a guy out to the parking lot and kind of like walk me through the process of how to drive the car somewhat. And I think he spent about no more than 15 minutes, and off I go. So, but in this email, we're gonna read it together. Okay, so this is the email that Elon sent to all the employees. So going forward, it is mandatory in North America to install and activate FSD version 12.3.1 and take customers on a short test ride before handing over the car. Almost no one actually realized how well FSD actually works. I know this will slow down the delivery process, but it is nonetheless a hard requirement. Thanks, Elon. So pretty much Elon is trying to showcase the latest version of the FSD and how good it is. And pretty much if for $12,000, and if nobody knows about it, then how are they gonna buy it? You know what I mean? So this is a good idea that Elon is implementing. And also I suggested before too, like Elon should just automatically let them have like a 30 days, even 30 days, doesn't have like 3 months or 6 months of the FSD. Because just like how Costco is doing with all of their food products out there, every corner of the Costco you go, you see people sampling, right? So a sausage, a burger, even like Asian food, noodles, whatever that is, you know, people won't buy unless they know what it is. So, and right now it seems like Elon is really confident with the latest versions. So then, you know, why not, you know, take the time, show the customers, let them see how good it is, and whether they like it or not, you know, okay, because this is just software activated, because everything's already come with the card. It's just activated, so they don't lose anything. All they do is just gaining. So this process is really good. And since I don't have full FSD, so I can't really tell how good it is. But you know, for those of you who have, maybe you can try it out and let us know, see how good it is. But with the basic autopilot that I have, all I can tell you is that sometimes when we merge into, like, let's say like if you're going straight on the lane and then another vehicle is trying to merge into your lane, and if the line's kind of spread out, the Tesla try to be going in the middle of it. So, which is, I think is bad. I think they should just stay on this lane and go straight, but who knows? Yeah, so I think this is a good idea. So hopefully with this, more people will be exposed to FSD, and that way Tesla will get more FSD out of it, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.